Hello, I am Hitoshi. Thank you for always coming to my page. In this series, I explain about 合同会社 or limited liability company. If you have time, please check the former videos too. I am sure they will deep your understanding more. This one, part 1ですね。The Merit of 合同会社 and part 2. What is the difference between 合同会社 and 株式会社? I pasted the link to the videos below. Today, I will explain about the flow of making 合同会社. Let's start. This is the outline. There are 7 steps. Let's check it one by one. Step 1. Deciding the basic items of your company. At this stage, we need to decide these 6 items. Deciding the location of the head office. Next, deciding company name. Next, deciding business purposes. Next, deciding business year, the date of closing. Next, deciding the capital money and deciding members. Next, deciding representative and executive member. After registration done, you can get the copy of registration of your company like this. This is an example of copy of registration. Yellow section are the items that you have to decide. Number 1 ですね。Corporate number. Here, number 2, company name. Number 3, 本店 location of head office. Number 4, 広告をする方法 the way of public notification. Number 5, date of establishment. Number 6, company purposes. Number 7, 資本金の額 the amount of capital money. Number 8, 社員に関する事項 about members. And number 9, about registration items. Let's go back to the list. Step 2. Getting personal seal certificate. When you get residence card, you can register your personal seal or 実印 in your city or ward office. To apply for company establishment, to make it sure that the application is made by the representative of the company, they require us to submit the certificate of personal seal. Making company seal 会社実印こういうのを作ります。When apply for registration of your company, you need a company seal or 会社実印これね。The size is regulated, so you can't choose freely. The seal needs to be within the square which is over 1 centimeter and less than 3 centimeters each side. So in this case, this one and this one is no good because this one is a bit small から this one is a bit large このミドルワンですねが OK over 1 centimeter and less than 3 centimeter each side ねHanko shops know this rule, of course, so you do not need to explain it from your side. Next, making company article of association. This is an example of taken. This is an example of article of association ですね。You need to decide the basic items of company operation. Later videos, I will explain for details. Step 5. Depositing capital money to your bank account and making a certificate of receiving it. After making article of association, you need to deposit or transfer capital money to your bank account. Later videos, I will explain about how to. Step 6. Preparing necessary documents for company registration. At this stage, you need to prepare the documents like this. A. Determination letter as to company representative, location of the head office and capital money. B. Letter of appointment acceptance. C ですね。Application form for company registration. D. Report form for company seal. As to these, later videos, I will explain further. Step 7. Go to Legal Affairs Bureau. After all preparation done, you go to 法務局 or Legal Affairs Bureau to submit the necessary documents to register your company. Today's explanation is just the outline of the flow. So from next time, I explain details each by each. Thank you for watching. Bye. またね。